Ready to level up your tech skills? Join us for an electrifying journey into the world of Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi board training by PiEST Systems. Unleash your inner inventor as we dive into the basics of Arduino coding, circuitry, and IoT magic. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, this training is tailored for you. Connect with like-minded tech enthusiasts, share ideas, and collaborate on exciting projects that push the boundaries of innovation. It's all about building a community of creators. Discover the endless possibilities of IoT, automate your home, create interactive art, or even build your own robot. Let your imagination run wild with Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi board. Our expert trainers will guide you every step of the way, making complex concepts easy to grasp. Learning has never been this fun and rewarding. Ready to embark on this electrifying journey with us? Don't miss out on the chance to become an Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi board wizard. DM us to enroll or visit our website www.piestsystems.com for more details. Let's light up the world, one Arduino project at a time.